If you use Notion, you already know how awesome it is. I've got dozens of files, folders, and databases in Notion. And one thing I've always wondered is how do I extend this information to my customers? Maybe I want to make it accessible to my channel partners, anyone outside my organization, or just the rest of my sales team. I'm going to show you how to connect Notion to an AI answer engine so that anyone you want can get answers fast from specific sources you trust. So to do this, we're going to set up a OneUp knowledge base. Go to OneUp. If you don't have an account, hit the free trial button. You'll be up and running in 60 seconds. Click Add Knowledge and hit the Notion connector. What this allows you to do is tell Notion what specific sources, folders, and databases you want to pull in. So in my example here, I've pulled in a couple of sales and marketing assets. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend this information to my customers, my partners, and my sales org. The first place I'm going to start is the company chat. So whether you use Slack, Microsoft Teams, or Google Chat, you should be able to extend Notion to them. And this is what it looks like. Anyone in my Slack channel can ask this question, and it's going to come from my Notion library. The answer is going to be accurate. I know where it's coming from. I know because I connected it. And the best part is I've limited different channels to different Notion sources. So in OneUp, I've set up different channels like sales, like Answer Studio, and I've got different Notion sources connected to those channels. This gives me complete control over what Notion files get used for which Slack channel or which Teams channel, and that gives you a really powerful way of extending that knowledge to your company. Now, how do you extend it to your customers? Set up an Answer Hub. Answer Hub is a great way for you to set up an external customer-facing page. A lot of people use it for channel partners, prospects, maybe renewals, and this allows you to create basically a customer-facing page that looks something like this. So you can create a branded page, change your logo, spin up the content the way you want it, and it gives your customers a fast and easy way to ask questions. Now on the back end, this Q&A field is tied to my Notion library. So I know these answers are accurate. I know that the customers are getting powerful responses from my Notion library. And again, I've extended the power of my Notion not only to my team, but my customers and my channel partners. Now the last use case, questionnaires. If you work in sales or product or even IT and compliance, you're probably getting questionnaires once in a while. Maybe they're asking you questions about your products, your compliance, your sales practices, whatever that may be. If you get one of these, upload it into OneUp and tell OneUp to only use your Notion sources. So here you can see that OneUp has actually filled out the questionnaire for me. It's using my Notion folders and files to generate these answers. So I know it's confident, I know that it's accurate, and it's never going to make something up that's not in there. So this is how you basically turn your Notion library into a powerful AI answer engine. If you want to get started, hit that free trial button. You'll be up and running faster than it took me to record this demo.